No, you can't shoot people, dude. Too cute. Once you learn that trigger, it's over. There it is. Go get it, dude. There it comes, right there. Yeah, both of you shoot at the same time. Oh. He knows how already. Micah taught him. Don't shoot me. No, no, no.
Push it in.
Gotta push it in.
There you go. Let's shoot.
Ah, cool. Go get him.
Let's go get him.
They went deep. Don't get me, Micah. Don't shoot me, Micah. They got range. Oh, he got me. It's right there.
Where'd yours go? Where'd it go? There it is.
Get up, dude. You created a monster. You know? Uh-oh. Don't shoot me. Whoa, go get it, dude. It's way down there at Angie's house. Micah, give him a test. Hit him with one when he ain't looking. Back. No, not close range. Let him run it. Don't shoot me. Car coming. Don't shoot the car, dude. Time out. Time out, dude. Don't come this way. I'll catch it. Shoot it. I'll catch it. I'm gonna catch it. Shoot guys, Micah. Oh, I almost had it. I got it, dude. Heads up, it's coming this way. Heads up. You got it, dude? Stuck? Where'd it go? Tree, right there. You like it? You do like it, dude? Uh-oh, you can't get me. You should see him reloading. Mike is gonna get me. Uh-oh. You missed.
Oh, good shot.
Go get it, dude.
Oh, yeah?
They got different colored discs, Micah?
No.
They don't? Just one color? What'd you get in toys?
I've only seen them in green, yeah.
Toys, right?
Yeah.
Nice. $10?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They have these, like, an extra pouches. It comes with 10.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm sure.
You can just buy them, right? That's cool. I like it. It's fun. Okay? Look at him. You got him. Oh, what did he hit?
Go get it.
What did he hit? Ground? Go ahead, pop him. Oh, he got you. See, he's looking at you. Uh-oh. Heads up, Micah. Oh, go get it, dude. Shoot me. I'll catch it. Get another one here. Get another one going. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, I got this one. Oh. Here. There's 3 of them.
What? Here's yours. Here it is.
It's right there in front of you. Mm-hmm. You got them all? 4 in a row. 4 in a row right there. Hey, keep an eye. Hey, Lorenzo, shoot the ball. Shoot the hoop. Shoot that up there. He missed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shoot the hoop, dude.
This one's 19, and that one's 10.
That one's worth it, but he can't, you know, that one is.
Yeah.
He won't be able to hold it, you know. It's too big for him.
That one's big for him, though.
Perfect for him.
Yeah.
I'm going to get him one.
Uh-huh.
I might go tonight, just messing around.
Yeah. That's the smallest one.
It comes with 1 disc. Don't
I
do
know,
it.
I don't
Heads
actually
up.
know.
Heads up. Hey, don't shoot people. Can't shoot people, dude.
I'm not actually sure. I can't remember.
Huh?
Oh, Joey, you know those socks that have like right and left?
Got to watch where you're going.
My brother taught me one of those,
It's over there. Look.
but it had 2 rights. One right, one left.
Look down there. Look near the hoop. It's near the hoop, dude. It's on the street right there. There it is. You see it? Don't shoot Joey. Time out. Let me clean your pants. Time out. Okay. You like that one? Joe, heads up. Watch out. He's going to let it go. Oh, he got you. He's not dead.
He's not dead.
He's not dead, dude.
3 shots to die.
I caught him. Oh! 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 Time out. Heads up. Not people, dude. Lorenzo, not people. He's going to shoot Joey. Joey's up close.
As long as he's not.
It's not in there, Lorenzo. Or is it? Yeah, it is in there.
No, shoot him. Shoot him.
Oh, he's not dead.
He's not dead again. He's invincible.
Daddy's going to catch him with Micah. Time out. Wait. Too close. Let's use the wall as a backup.
Right.
Go back a little bit. I got good power, that one. I can't get one. Whoa. Yeah, it is. You gotta go get yours. Yours went way down there, Lorenzo. Somewhere. They come in floating on you, you know? This is going on YouTube. Yeah, it is. There's one down there. Heads up. Don't shoot me, Lorenzo. You got them all?
No.
Can't shoot people, dude. Got the right there. hanging with the fellas.
Oh, I got
Right
it.
here, hanging with the fellas.
I
The
got
gym
it.
up.
Yeah.
The gym.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh,
What?
I'm trying to figure out what the button is. I know there's a button on there somewhere.
To do what?
Unlock it so it'll fall down.
Why, it's locked in there?
Yeah. I know there's a button on here somewhere.
Hold on, he's got to
Oh,
fix
you
it. He's got to fix it, Lorenzo.
Ready? There we go.
Where's the button? Oh, that button right there? That's cool.
Here you go.
No shooting people. No, 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 no.
Oh. Oh.
Did he get you?
On the shoulder. Is that what?
Go back there and try and catch him again.
Gotta make sure I got all of mine.
I'm trying to use my hat to catch him. Look what he's got. Look what Joey's got.
He's trying to take my gun.
Hey, hold up. Joe, you better not mess around. Hey, hold on, man. Joe, I don't know if
Hey, that's mine.
Joe, I don't know if it'll hold your weight. You're gonna bust your leg. Wait, time, Micah. You gotta push back a little. Wait until I'm ready, all right? Go easy, Micah.
Ready?
Yeah. You went way too fast. You went way too fast.
Did you see that, Joey?
You don't even get a chance to catch him. Why? Well, Lorenzo, you can sit down on it. Mike, you went way too fast in those. Heads up.
Oh, there's Joey.
Airborne.
I can't ride that thing.
He's not right now because of the gun, you know. I like those gloves. Oh, the bomb. Oh. We gotta bring Mike to the gym. Wanna come to the gym with us? They got hoops, sauna, everything, Michael, you know? You got your gun. Heads up. Heads up.
You can't shoot it though.
Heads up. He's trying to look.
Yeah. He won't shoot.
Why, is it locked? Oh, okay. Lorenzo, use the little one, dude. All right, Mike, you're going to go slower this time, all right?
All right.
Give me a chance to catch it. Time out.
All right, I'll go do it. Okay. Whoa. I won't shoot that. Ready?
Do it. Bring him up a little bit. I can't hold on to him. Damn, I should have had that one. You're out? Not at people, Lorenzo. Micah, here it is. Oh, where'd that go? Is it roof? Uh-oh.
Oh, well.
I'll get it later, all right?
Yeah.
Not now.
Here you go, and try that one for you.
Is it roof?
Yeah.
Dang.
I brought an extra one out.
Roof. What'd you say? What'd you say, Lorenzo? Yep. What'd you say to Micah? You say thank you so much? Don't shoot at people.
No, not at me.
Shoot at the wall. You stuck? I think he's stuck, Micah. I don't know if he's got one in there.
Hold on, don't put it in, don't put it in. It's stuck, see?
It's stuck.
See
You
it
got
in
your...
there? See it?
I see it.
See it?
Say, Micah, see it?
See it? It's stuck.
You see it in there?
Now watch.
Time out. He's gonna get it out.
You put it down?
Still stuck.
Get that one.
Well,
There you go.
There it goes, dude.
There it is, right there.
Turn.
Lorenzo's turn, not Tommy.
There you go.
I want to try it.